When it comes to home improvement projects in Auburn Hills, installing a new door might seem like a simple task. However, ensuring that the job is done correctly requires precision, particularly when it comes to measurements. Accurate measurements are the cornerstone of a successful door installation, whether you're upgrading your front door, replacing interior doors, or adding a stylish patio entryway. Neglecting this critical step can lead to costly mistakes, functional issues, and compromised aesthetics. Here, we'll explore why accurate measurements are essential in door installation and how they contribute to a seamless, professional finish. Why accurate measurements matter. Ensures a proper fit. The primary reason for taking precise measurements is to guarantee the door fits perfectly into the frame. Even a small error can cause the door to be too tight, leading to difficulty in opening and closing, or too loose, allowing drafts and noise to seep through. A well-measured door ensures a snug fit, enhancing both functionality and energy efficiency. Improves energy efficiency. A poorly fitted door can significantly impact the energy efficiency of your home. Gaps around the door frame let in drafts, forcing your heating and cooling systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. In Auburn Hills, where winters can be chilly and summers warm, accurate measurements can help maintain your home's energy efficiency, saving you money on utility bills. Enhances aesthetics. The visual appeal of your door matters as much as its functionality. Crooked installations, gaps, or uneven lines caused by incorrect measurements can diminish the appearance of your home. Properly measured and installed doors contribute to a polished, professional look that enhances curb appeal and interior design. Prevents costly mistakes. Mistakes in measurement can result in the wrong-sized door being ordered, leading to delays and additional expenses for modifications or replacements. By prioritizing accurate measurements from the start, you can avoid these unnecessary costs and ensure the project stays on budget. Steps to take accurate door measurements. Measure the door opening. Start by measuring the width of the door opening at 3 points: the top, middle, and bottom. Record the smallest measurement, as door frames can sometimes be uneven. Next, measure the height on both sides and in the center, noting the shortest measurement. This ensures that the new door will fit the narrowest dimensions of the frame. Check the depth. Door jamb depth is another critical measurement. This refers to the thickness of the wall where the door will be installed. Measuring the depth ensures the door and its frame align seamlessly with your wall. Account for trim and hardware. If you're replacing an existing door, consider the size and placement of trim and hardware. These elements can impact the fit and function of the new door. Double-check measurements. It's always a good idea to double-check your measurements before making any purchases. A small error in recording or interpreting measurements can lead to significant complications. Professional installation. A worthwhile investment for homeowners in Auburn Hills, hiring professional door installation services is often the best way to ensure accurate measurements and a flawless installation. Experienced professionals have the tools, techniques, and expertise to measure and install doors with precision. Additionally, they can troubleshoot potential issues, such as uneven frames or structural inconsistencies, before they become problems. Many installation companies in Auburn Hills also offer comprehensive services, including assistance in selecting the right door for your needs, style preferences, and budget. Whether you're looking for a sleek modern design or a classic wooden entryway, professionals can guide you toward options that complement your home and lifestyle. Conclusion: in Auburn Hills, where homes vary in architectural style and weather demands, accurate measurements are non-negotiable when it comes to door installation. They ensure a proper fit, improve energy efficiency, enhance aesthetics, and prevent unnecessary costs. By investing time in meticulous measurements or hiring professional installers, you can enjoy a door that operates smoothly, looks stunning, and stands the test of time. Don't let a seemingly minor detail derail your home improvement project. Prioritize accuracy and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your new door will be a perfect fit.